Hey everybody, it's Greg Sabo, Zabolite. We've arrived at American Outdoor Brands and we're getting ready to continue this install. They wanted to have two sets, so they want to put a cyc wall in on one side and a set on the other. And it's going to need complete cyc built, which you see behind me. So on the cyc install, they wanted to go 12 feet high on the cyc. It's only got 10-foot wingspans, and then it's got the general infinity wall in the middle. We're going to do a little bit of grid work, so we had to have the whole drop ceiling removed. We're going to be able to hang speed rails, select places to hang the lights. We're getting ready to start with our lighting. This is going to be a complete RGB studio, meaning they're going to be able to do color plus daylight plus tungsten. It's going to be our new Z2 RGBs, and of course we'll do some Fresnels and key lights for the stand-ups and for the subject matter. And then we're going to give them a dimmer board in one location to allow to control all these lights. And then in the future, they may want to go wireless, and we'll do a wireless control system maybe down the road. Okay, and at day one, we converted this empty office space into a studio. We were able to have the drop ceiling removed, part of it. We were able to establish positions for lights. We created hanging points with speed rail, all thread, and special beam clamps. We were able to get our lights hung. The cyc wall still needs a coat of paint, but you can see what we're trying to do. It's our first RGB studio. We got the key light up front. There's just enough space here to keep some separation between me and that cyc wall. And we're able to rotate colors through the DMX. Here we are on day two. The set, unfortunately, is not finished, but we have to continue on with our lighting. It'll have two product walls. We'll put a Z2 RGB up for each wall. We have a light over the top center, which will give broad coverage for any walking or turning to the product walls. And we hung two key lights on drop downs. We've got full coverage of the whole set. We also included two floor lights that can be used in certain areas for special product. That's it for this install. Please check out zabolite.com for other videos and product line. Now enjoy this clip. It's not green screen, it's RGB Zabolite Z2.